Okay, now I mean like when it's like this, first of all, when it's like this, yeah, like
Mm.
that W, where you put your stop loss? You put it over here, outside,
Yeah.
you put it there, yeah?
Usually on gold, I do like 50 pips on
50
stop
pips, yeah.
losses. Yeah.
So you put 50 pips down there, 50 pips down there.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And have you ever had times whereby the market price just pushes up, hits your stop loss, and then comes back?
Yeah.
So you don't wonder what's that?
Done.
Do you
I
have
was
any
asking
idea
about
what?
smart money.
Nah, that's what I say, fam. You know, sometimes I watch
Mm,
for shit like that, you know. So for me, usually if he does this whole W, right?
mm.
It goes 4 times, he hit the top like 3 times. The next time he's gonna hit the top for the fourth time, it's probably gonna break. So I'll need to watch my stop losses from there onwards.
Okay, so you mean like the third time. So let's say one, two,
Three, he's
that's
still gonna
three.
go down. Yeah. So now at the bottom, you go 1, 2, 3,
Mm.
3 points as well. So anything after that, you need to watch it because it might actually either stay in the middle, it might go to just hover in 1771, or it might go way up above like 1774.
Up there, yeah.
Yeah, so even if you check the patterns, like you go on like on the proper chart, check the patterns, they are almost like that, most of them. You just do that.
Okay. So that's all this. I don't know if you're aware about this information, but it's actually manipulated. Like all this is a trap.
Yeah,
These
okay.
two levels, they're traps.
Okay, that's mad.
They're traps. That's why I know like price will always go up because millions of people are leaving their stop losses behind there, right?
Mhm.
So there's a pool of money resting above and below. There's liquidity resting there.
That's why I was asking you about smart money, Antoine.
Yeah, yeah. Like, yeah, I just know it's like he's
182.
okay. Okay, Anton. Yeah. We need to talk.
That's nice, man.